This is skin protector for I bought it for Tacoma for the odometer skin, because this can get a scratch easily, and also the infotech center or media center, which I often use for my Google map for navigation. This is an unboxing Screen Protech. This is the website, you can go check it out. There's stuff, they sell a lot of cool stuff. They oftenly send the barcode for installation. I highly suggest you scan that and see the instruction before you go, install by yourself. Save a lot of time and hassle. Let's see what it got inside. Alright, I break the seal as you see it. So this is what they have sent, a bottle with your cleaning product. You can put it on the water to get the bubble down once you clean the screen. They also have a squeezy, a microfiber towel, and your skin protector. One is you put it on, and the second one goes on the top of anti-glare. They usually put two in a piece, just in case one is messed up, other one you can use it as well. So stay tuned for this was the unboxing for Screen Protech for my Tacoma. Stay tuned for installation video.